Welcome back to my channel. Over to Martin, you guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget to press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So today's topic is going to be very important regarding the Maersk Pli test. Okay, so what it is I'll show you. Another thing before moving to the main topic, if you haven't checked out my last video regarding the Marx and Ahmed University sponsorship DNS 2020, I will give the link in the I button. You just go and check that video. Otherwise there is no meaning to watch this video. Please watch that video, then please move to this video to watch the full series. Okay, so in this video I will show you the PLI test, its concept, its marks division and how to prepare for that. The most important, because you have only 4 days. So in 4 days how to prepare, that is the most important thing. And frankly speaking, PLI test is not so easy, because you have to understand that the company name is Marx, and when the name is Marx line, it is not going to be easy anymore. Okay, that you have to keep it in your mind, and as per that you have to prepare. So time is less, but you have to do preparation, right? So let's move to my laptop screen. There I'll show you each and every aspect regarding the Maersk PLI test. Okay, now what I have promised, I'll show you the PLI test regarding the Marx line. So just go to the Google simply and just put PLI test Marx line question or something like that, PLI Marx question, and you will get these 2 links. These 2 are the best links I have found. Just go to the first link, then I will show you what to do and how it is. The first thing is that this is a video. Okay, the detailed video you can watch for this, otherwise you can watch this video also. The test is 12 minutes in length, will include running clock on the right side of the screen, 50 questions, 5 questions per page. Okay, multiple choice format, which means what you will choose correct answer from among a preset list of 4 to 5 possible answers. Okay, test aids such as the calculators are not allowed during the test. After completing your test, your score will be immediately and automatically available, so that is fine. So now sample questions, numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, these are there. You just click and you can find the questions over there. This type of questions will be there. Okay, choose the odd ones. Okay, odd ones. Okay. I think 2 plus 5 correct. Okay, so that is the thing that you have to practice from here, or you can do take free test. Just click over there. Okay, so that is the free test. Assumptions: no cashier work part-time, Joe works part-time. Conclusion: Joe is not a cashier. If the assumption is true, is this conclusion cannot be determined based on this information. Correct, incorrect, correct, like that. Okay, so that is incorrect. Yeah, that is correct. Okay, so like that. Next question you can go like that, you can do. Okay, so what you can do, click now for the full, that I think you have to, that is paid, I think, I don't know, I think, yeah, total questions, get started now, just click. Yeah, that is paid, that is really paid, $79. Oh, too much, 5,000 rupees. Okay, no need, that is no need, just do the free test only. Okay, so that is the first link I have shown. Now I will show you the second one. This is another Maersk Pli test. Just go, and here also, see, here also some written instruction is there, you can read by yourself, that is not the issue. So just take my free PLI test, you can go and start quiz. So what is the next number in the series? 1, 4, 10, 22, 46. So you can see there is a gap of 12, now gap of 24, I think 48, means 48 plus 46, 94, I guess. Yeah, 94, correct. So like that, there is some series and all, so like you have to find. So you can see time limit also there. So as per that page, there will be 5 questions in a per page. So as if now you can go and just check your skills and all. So you have still time, 5 days. You should based on this type of online practice test, it will only help you. no need to study any book and all. You will find lot of links. Okay, just go and just do it like that. So that is, I wanted to show you how to prepare for the Maersk Pli test. And thank you for watching. Hopefully you have understood this video. So I think you have understood regarding the Maersk Pli test. As per that, please prepare yourself for Maersk Pli test. If any help required, just ask me. I'll definitely help you out. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you have understood this video. So if you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.